Another feature that is useful when using Naviate Accelerate and Naviate Bimfire is the possibility to check if there is a door or window hosted on a wall that has a fire requirements, where the door or window lacks one. Here's some kind of mistakes that has happened, and we can easily check these. Prepare your model with a text parameter called something like fire requirement or fire rec host value. Make it a string parameter because every parameter within Naviate Bimfire are strings because they can be used within groups and may vary by group instance. Going to Naviate Accelerate, go to Combine Parameter. Once it's loaded, go to Doors and Windows and add the host fire rec fire rating requirement. On the left-hand side, we will select Doors and then scroll down to Windows in the very bottom of the text field, which call here down Windows. In the center fold here, we can find host fire rec fire rating wall. Let's go down here. We got host and we got fire rec fire rating wall. Here, you only need to select one. It is fine. You don't have to select all of these. And this value should be copied to fire rec host value, what I've called it here. This don't need to be a shared parameter. It can be partly parameters, because it's going to be used only in schedules to kind of check the values. And we go to combine. It will go through the entire model, and in 1252 elements, it's been updated. So I can scroll down here and select the door, scroll all the way here, and see here, fire rec host. Here we can see the value here, what is hosted. If I now create a schedule for doors, door check for dense compartments, we can check if there is a value on the fire rec host and if there is none on the fire rating door. We will sort by host, then on door. Here, we only want to see if there is a door that has a dash on it. Because if it has a value, it will probably be something correct. But if I go here, and we will remove the sorting and grouping to not include itemized every instance, we can see here there are doors that has a host requirement and does not have a fire rating rec. There could be several reasons. It might need to split the wall, so we got some false negatives, but at least now we can quickly and easily figure out what values or which object we need to take a closer look on and kind of check the data that has been received from the specialist.